Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to convert an Excel file into a Google form. First, go to Google Drive, click the plus new button on the left. Then choose File Upload. Select your Excel file and wait for it to upload. Once uploaded, right-click the Excel file. Hover over Open With and select Google Sheets. This will let you work with your file in Google's format. Go to the File menu, then click Save as Google Sheets. This creates a proper Google Sheets copy that you can connect with Google Forms. And that's it. That's how to convert an Excel file into a Google form. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.